Guess who's back? We got the 1969 GTO. We're going to be doing some painting underneath the hood. Let's head straight into the paint booth and see what Phillip's up to. Looks like everything is sanded and ready to go. He's got it loaded up with some black paint. The owner, he just wanted it painted black under here like we did the tubs underneath there, so we're just going to make it all match. He'll be using the Iwata paint gun today. What's your favorite paint gun? Let us know. If you notice, his shirt is soaking wet. It is super hot here in the south, so that's why his shirt looks like that. Would you look at that? Y'all let us know what you think in the comments. Would you have painted it all black in here, or would you have painted it a different color, or would you painted it the same color as the car? That looks pretty good. Y'all let us know what you think in the comments. Would you LS swapped it, or would you kept the original motor in the car? Some of y'all are complaining about having these older vehicles having these newer engines in there. The reason why they do that is for fuel efficiency, and a lot of times they're going to be a daily driver, or they're going to drive them distances and they want to be able to rely on them, so that's why they LS swap them. Let's take a look at the inside. The owner's done a lot of work here. He's about got this completely finished. There are a few things on the inside that he likes, but other than that, it's coming pretty good together. He's making it look old school, but it has all the modern day parts to make it run efficiently. Shout out to the girl who did this upholstery on the seats. I think she did a great job. It really makes us happy to be able to save these. Here's another one that's going to be on the road. And after all the hours, the hard work, and everything this car has been through, we finally reached the finish line. When this 1969 GTO came into the shop, it was just another project waiting for someone to bring it back to life. Well, I think we've done that. We started with the car that needed plenty of work, and little by little, panel by panel, we brought it back. And now, this is what all those hours were for. We've got this GTO back to where it needs to be. Looking like a car that deserves to be remembered. I want to thank everyone who has followed this restoration, watched the videos, left a comment, and supported our channel. This may be the final episode of the GTO restoration, but around here, the next project is always waiting. So, let's take one last look at the GTO, because this is how you bring an old car back to life. Now, let's just talk about some of the harder projects that he had to do on here. I'll just walk you through it, just in case you missed any of the episodes. Remember, we painted this dash down here. I think it looks great. Y'all let us know in the comments what you think. We changed the hose a little bit here for the mirror. If you remember, he made those a little bit better than they were. Okay, and now there is the nightmare where that antenna is. I mean, y'all remember the build on that? He really had to work to get that thing to look. Okay, now he's just doing his final polishing on this car. He does one last final polish. When they get through assembling it and everything, it comes back to him, and he does his last polish on it. So that's what he's doing here. And Jax is just drinking up some water. It's pretty hot here today. Doesn't stay up here very long.
Was you thirsty?
We can already see the difference in that last buff. Phil's just giving it a final wash here to get rid of any compound or anything we left behind. Now, when we do this, we use a clean wash mitt, a brand new wash mitt for the final wash on these cars, so that we don't cause any scratching or anything. He's just using the snap-on blower. It's battery operated, really handy. Has a lot of power, does the job pretty well, and it's plastic, so if you bump up against the car, you're not going to just tear the metal plumb off of it. We use it for more than just this, of course. Around the shop, we keep the floors clean with it, try to get rid of any spider webs and stuff like that. It is a pretty good machine, so we use it to keep the shop clean. There's just something satisfying about watching that water being blown off. You know when it dries, it's going to be beautiful.
Alright, we're done with the GTO. We're finally finished with it. We did a second buff on it and it's all ready. The owner will be here to pick it up shortly. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching.
Some cars are worth restoring. Some cars are worth remembering. And this GTO is both. If you would like to see this car in person, I am told that it will be cruising the coast this year. So if you do see it out and about, please take a picture with it and tag us in it. Let us know what you think. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, now's the time to do so. We've got new projects going on. I do get behind on editing sometimes, but I try my hardest to get caught back up. But with me working and doing the editing, sometimes I get behind. So please be patient with us, and thank you all so much for watching.